June 21. The real thing. The new covenant Christian has reality. We are not depending on a high priest on earth who annually visits the Holy of Holies in a temporary sanctuary. We depend on the heavenly high priest who has entered once and for all into the eternal sanctuary. There he represents us before God, and he always will. Beware of trusting anything that is made with hands for your spiritual life. It will not last. The tabernacle was replaced by Solomon's temple, and that temple was destroyed by the Babylonians. When the Jews returned to their land after the captivity, they rebuilt their temple. King Herod in later years expanded and embellished it. But the Romans destroyed that temple, and it has never been rebuilt. Furthermore, since the genealogical records have been lost or destroyed, the Jews are not certain who can minister as priests. These things that are made with hands are perishable, but the things not made with hands are eternal. Remember this. While we look not at things which are seen, but at the things which are not seen, for the things which are seen are temporal, but the things which are not seen are eternal. 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 18. Consider 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 1, Hebrews chapter 9 verse 24, 1 Peter chapter 1 verses 13 to 14. Think of one or two examples of something made with hands that you might be trusting in rather than God. Now ask God to help you trust only in those things which will last forever. Amen.